Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering off and removing the silicone tips. You need a clean work area to prevent losing parts. Use a soft, lint-free cloth and a small towel beneath your hands to catch debris. Dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl alcohol, no dripping, and gently wipe the stem exterior and speaker mesh edge. Use a plastic toothpick at a shallow angle to dislodge visible gunk from crevices. Take short, controlled motions so you don't push debris deeper into meshes. Once surface grime is loosened, use a soft bristle brush to sweep the speaker mesh for 1 to 2 minutes per earbud, brushing outward to carry debris away. If residue persists, lightly moisten a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol and stroke the mesh's perimeter. Never flood it, so alcohol evaporates quickly and lifts oils. Make sure to rotate the earbud while inspecting with a bright light to confirm the mesh is clear. Repeating small passes is safer than forcing deep scraping. After cleaning, air dry the earbuds and silicone tips for 10 to 15 minutes in a ventilated spot. Ensure no moisture remains. Reattach the silicone tips by aligning and clicking them into place, then place the earbuds in the case and charge briefly before testing audio and microphone function. If sound is still muffled, try a factory reset. Forget device, reset via case button, and repair the AirPods. This often fixes software-related audio issues. If physical blockage persists,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.